To get specific results in Google Gemini, you might want to be more specific with your prompts. In that case, you need to follow a structure of the prompt right here, where you need to follow 4 things. So the first thing that you need to follow is you need to give it a role. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say as a creative writer right here, just like this. So I'm giving it a role of a creative writer right here. So now I'm going to go around and then give it a goal right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say write an article right here, just like this. So I'm giving it a role right here and I'm defining the goal right here, just like this. So now I'm going to go around over here and be more specific and set restrictions. I'm going to go around and say, as a creative writer, write an article about, let's say, for example, foods around the world. Let's just go around the world. So this is the goal right here, an article about foods around the world right here. And then I'm going to go around and say, set the restrictions right here. So now I'm going to go around and say, write the article in 3 paragraphs, and make sure that it is 500 words long right here. So now you can see that I added in 3 things right here. So as a creative writer, so I gave it a role, and it's and I wrote write an article about foods around the world right here. So this is the goal right here, and I set the restrictions, right? I said write the article in 3 paragraphs and make sure it is 500 words long right here, just like this. And now I'm going to go around and define the format. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, make sure the first you give a proper title for the article. Make sure that the first paragraph is an introduction paragraph right here, just like this. Paragraph right here, just like this. The second paragraph should have the main content, and the third paragraph should be the conclusion right here, just like this. So you can see that I structured it out. So as a creative writer, so there's the role right here, write about foods around the world, which is the goal right here. And now I'm defining the format right here, like write the article in 3 paragraphs and make sure that it is 500 words long. That's the restriction right here. And now I'm defining the format. So there's the restriction and there's the format, like make sure to give a proper title to the article, make sure that that the first paragraph is an introduction, second paragraph should have main content, and third paragraph should be the conclusion. The more detailed the prompt is, the better results you get. So once you're happy with what you have right here, you can go around and hit the send button right here. And once you do that, what happens is that it'll simply start writing right here, just like this. So you can see that it added in a title right here, just like this, as you can see, and then it created the article right here in 3 paragraphs accordingly. Like this is the introduction, the main content right here, and you can see that it actually went around and then created this out as well. So this is what you have, and you got a specific article as you actually asked it to produce. So that is how you can write specific prompts to get specific results inside of Google Gemini. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.